Are you struggling from upper back pain? Don't worry, you will find the solution in this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you simple, safe exercises and stretches that you can do at home with no equipment to release tightness in your upper back, neck, and shoulder area. So let's get started. Exercise 1. Deep breathing plus rib expansion. First, we relax the nervous system and open the rib cage. Sit or stand tall. Place one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. Breathe in slowly through your nose, filling your belly first, then your chest. Now breathe out slowly through your mouth like you're fogging a mirror. Repeat this for 5 slow breaths. This helps release tension held in the upper back and shoulders and prepares your body for stretching. Exercise 2. Chin tuck, neck reset. Sit tall with your chest lifted. Imagine someone gently pushing your chin straight back, not down. Give yourself a double chin look. Hold for 3 seconds. Release. Repeat 10 times. You should feel a stretch at the back of your neck and a light activation in the front muscles of your neck. Avoid tilting your head up or down. 3. Shoulder blade squeeze. Sit or stand upright. Open your chest and gently pull your shoulder blades back and down like you are trying to hold a pencil between them. Hold for 5 seconds. Release. Repeat 12 to 15 times. Do not shrug your shoulders up. Keep them relaxed. This strengthens the muscles that support good posture and reduces tightness from slouching. 4. Cat-cow stretch. Stay in tabletop position. Repeat 8 to 12 times. This mobilizes your entire spine and releases stiffness in the upper and mid back.